Take out the machine and all its fittings. Install holders. The machine is equipped with 2 backup fuses which can be used to replace a broken fuse. If the machine's fuse is damaged, level the place and install it slowly with a screwdriver, remove it, and replace it with the spare. Mount EMS pads. Mount the pads connecting wire A to I. Mount the breast pads. Mount the pads connecting wires J to K. Put the pads back to the holder in order. Install the power cord. Parameters setting. Operating time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is suggested. Energy level range is 1 to 9. 2 to 7 is advised. Click Select and choose EMS. Fasten a strap onto a treated part. Do not make it too loose or tight. Apply proper amount of gel evenly to EMS pads. Insert the pads into the strap and tighten up. Use 1 to 3 pairs of pads per the size of client's treated part. Press Start. Press Pause. Take out the pads, untie the strap, and clean the treated part.